In this lecture, we'll study properties of region of convergence, that is ROC. ROC is a ring in the Z plane centered about the origin. That is, so here we can see the picture. This is a Z plane. This is real axis of Z and this is imaginary axis of Z. Here we can see the circle. This circle is nothing but ROC in the Z plane. And this is the origin. Here we can see the circle. So this circle is the ROC centered about the origin. ROC does not contain any poles. If x of n is a right hand sequence, that is finite duration causal sequence, the ROC is entire Z plane except at Z equal to 0. That is, suppose the sequence is positive sequence or also known as finite duration causal sequence or right-handed sequence, then ROC is entire the Z plane. Here we can see that, say this is Z plane and this is the origin. Here the ROC is the entire Z plane. So this is entire Z plane except 0. That is, except this point, the entire is ROC. So we can say that this is ROC in the Z plane when the sequence x of n is right hand sequence. If x of n is a right hand infinite duration causal sequence, then ROC exists outside the outermost pole, that is outside the circle of radius a, that is Z is greater than a. Here I can show, let this be a Z plane. So here we can see the circle. The radius of the circle is, assume that it is a, and say this point is a. So now here for infinite duration sequence, the ROC is outside the outermost pole, that is the ROC is outside the circle, that is. So this is ROC in case of infinite duration causal sequence. If x of n is left hand finite duration anti-causal sequence, the ROC is entire Z plane except at Z equal to infinity. That is, suppose this is the Z plane. So if we assume that this point is minus infinity and this point is say plus infinity, that is, if left hand anti-causal sequence, then ROC is entire Z plane. This is entire Z plane except at Z equal to infinity. If we assume that these 2 points are infinity, then the entire Z plane, that is this entire Z plane is ROC except at this point and this point, that is plus infinity and minus infinity. So in between all the area is ROC. If x of n is left hand infinite duration anti-causal sequence, then ROC exists inside the innermost pole, that is inside the circle of radius a, that is Z is less than a. So if we consider this as Z plane, say the radius of the circle is a, then the ROC in this case is inside the circle, that is this all thing is, this is ROC here. if x of n is finite duration two-sided sequence, two-sided sequence means the samples exist on right side as well as on left side. The ROC is entire z plane except z equal to 0 and z equal to infinity. That is, suppose this is the z plane, and if we consider x of n as finite duration two-sided sequence, then ROC is entire z plane except origin. Say this point is origin and this is infinity and this is infinity. So now except this origin and infinity points, entire thing is ROC. So this entire thing is ROC. If x of n is infinite duration two-sided sequence, then ROC is concentric ring in the z plane. That is, assume that this is z plane. If the x of n sequence is infinite two-sided sequence, then ROC is a concentric ring in the z plane. That is, here we have two rings with respect to two poles. So this in between the area is ROC. So this is ROC. So this is ROC. If x of z is rational, then ROC is bounded by poles or extends to infinity. So these are the properties of ROC. Thank you for watching.